All right, in this video, you will exactly learn how you send an automated outbound WhatsApp message after your lead has submitted their data inside your Facebook lead ads. To show you how fast the follow-up actually is, we have a little demo here on the website. When you enter your phone number here, you see, boom, within 5 seconds, you get a follow-up. So this is a demo form. This could be your Facebook lead ads form. This could be your website form, any form basically. And you send an instant outbound message to your lead. And then when they respond, the AI is going to take over, as you see here in the WhatsApp window. And then the AI is going to qualify the lead and book them into your calendar. All right, let's get started. We are going to use Zapier to connect all of this, but you can also use programs like make.com. All right, to get started, go to trysetter.com and click on build your chatbot. Once you're in the dashboard, click on create chatbot and give this a name. Now let me quickly show you what you can do in the Zapier AI dashboard. Now in the conversations tab, you will see all of your conversations, including their WhatsApp phone numbers, and it will also show you if an appointment has been successfully booked. In the playground, you can actually test your bot once you have given it a script. And in the integrations tab, you can connect your WhatsApp business account in just 5 clicks, connect your Zapier, what I'm going to show you as well, connect your Calendly, that way your calendar is connected through your Calendly account, or connect your Acuity scheduling account if you use Acuity. Now in the very first step, we are going to set up our prompt so that the bot is customized to our business. So here in the field, you will already see an example prompt. I'm just going to copy all, so mark all, click copy, and I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to change this prompt for my business. As an example, let's say I'm a solar company. Now I told it that I'm a solar company based in London, and I'm going to paste the existing script here, going to hit go, and now ChatGPT is going to rewrite the script for my business. We see it puts common problems here as well inside the script. That is great. Many of our customers cut their electricity bill by up to 70%. So this is the pitch, right? And here it's then going to start the free consultation and will then look into your calendar, into your Calendly account in the background and pick a time slot. It will then ask for the lead's email address and book them in for a free solar consultation. Awesome. It also generated a example Q&A, of course, adjust that for your business. Now we are going to copy everything here, just hit copy, and we are going to replace this with the new script. Let's hit save. Great. In the next step, we are going to connect our WhatsApp business account. Click on connect and click on import business account data. Note, for every WhatsApp account, you need a different WhatsApp number. If you don't have a spare WhatsApp number, you can get one easily by clicking this link, get a WhatsApp number, and you can get WhatsApp numbers from the UK, US, or any other country. Once you got your WhatsApp number, click here on get started and then select your business portfolio in Meta. Now in the next step, you're gonna choose or create a WhatsApp business account. You will probably create a new one for your AI, give it a name and a display name. Make sure the display name is similar to your business name so that Meta approves your name, and hit next. And in the next step, you are going to connect your new WhatsApp number. You will just then put it into a field. You're just going to verify the number. It's going to send you an SMS or a phone call, and then your new WhatsApp account is connected. Great. Once it's connected, there's going to be some IDs showing up here, and then you don't have to do anything anymore. Your WhatsApp account is connected. And you can then still manage your business account in Meta and add like a new profile picture or a different description. Now in the last step, we're now going to connect this to Facebook, and we're going to create a message template and connect it to Zapier. After that, your bot is ready to go, and you can send instant WhatsApp outbound messages from your Facebook lead ad submissions, literally within seconds. All right, in this video, I will show you how you set up a WhatsApp message template. A WhatsApp message template is necessary in order for you to send an outbound message via the WhatsApp API. Now, you're probably on this page right now, and there will probably be no message templates available here because you haven't set up any. Now, to set up one, click on Manage Message Templates, and you will be led to this page. First of all, make sure you're in the right WhatsApp manager because you may have multiple ones. So make sure you're in the right WhatsApp manager. Check your WhatsApp business ID in the bar on top. Then click on Message Template and click on Create Template. Now click on Next, select Custom and click on Next. Now give your template a name. I'm going to test this. I'm going to name this New Test 1, 2, 3. Now here, this is a little bit confusing. However, I would recommend you choose name as the variable. You can choose number or name. It doesn't really matter in the end because our system will detect your variables and you can later map them. Header, I would choose none because we want it to look like a natural message sent by a human actually, right? In the body, you can type whatever you want. I'm gonna have this message here. Hello Timo, Megan here. What excites you the most about using AI for appointment setting? And you may want to add a variable. You can have no variable, that's no problem. Then just this message is being sent out. Now I want to add a variable. So I'm gonna click add variable. It's gonna add the variable here at the end. And I have to give the variable a name. So you see the brackets here. You can give it any name you want. Just take a name that that matches also your variable names in, for example, Facebook lead ads, right? So I'm gonna call this first name. And then I'm gonna copy this entire thing. Make sure you copy all the brackets. And I'm gonna remove the placeholder name and gonna put it in here. Perfect. Now we have the name variable. You can enter as many variables as you want. Just make sure you give them different names. Now I'm gonna continue with one variable and we have to give an example content for the variable. Just put in a name, for example, Timo or whatever, John, doesn't really matter. Usually these message templates are approved automatically within seconds. Now, once you're done, click on Submit for Review. And oh yeah, by the way, select the language. If your language is not English, select your language beforehand. That is very important. And yeah, confirm the language, click Confirm. All right, one message template is submitted. Now let's refresh this page. And we see our message template is already approved and it is active. Perfect. Now let's head back to Zapier AI, refresh this page as well. And let's click again on the WhatsApp button. And now we see our newly created message template. Select this one and click on Continue in the right-hand corner. Perfect. Great. Now see you in the next section, the Zapier section. All right, in this step, we are connecting our lead form to Zapier in order to send an automated outbound WhatsApp message. By the way, you can use any tool. You don't need to use Zapier. You can also use make.com or any other connection tool that you might use that allows you to send a code snippet. So in order to set this up, we first go to Zapier and select the lead form that we want to connect. In my case, I'm just showcasing that with Facebook lead ads forms. So you're gonna select here in Zapier your Facebook lead ads. You're gonna select the trigger event as new leads and then click on continue. You're gonna select your page and the form that you want to connect. Click on continue and load a record from your phone. Ideally, you already have a lead coming in that form. You will need the phone number field and the name field and the email field in that form in order to send a outbound WhatsApp message. Now, I just created a new form. That's why I don't have a lead here yet. That's why I just named the company name field as my phone number field. Basically, it doesn't really matter what the field is named. I just modified this so we have an actual phone number field. In your form, this would look like this, that you have a phone number field where the lead actually puts in their phone number. Make sure they put it in with the international country code into your form. Otherwise, we cannot send a WhatsApp message. Now, we have this data. We have the email, we have the first name, we have the last name, and we have the phone number. By the way, you don't necessarily need the last name. You could also have a field that is lead full name, right? Then you would just always send the full name in the WhatsApp message. So you would then say, for example, hello, and then full name of the lead. Now, in my case, I have separated it into first and last name, so I can call them by their first name, right? But it doesn't matter. You can do any any variable that you want. Great. Now let's continue with the selected record. In the second step, we are connecting Zapier, and here you're actually going ahead and search for code, and you click on code, and that's code by Zapier. Don't worry, you don't need to code, you just need to paste something in. Then you click on run JavaScript, and you're going to click on continue and then configure it. I have already configured it, so I'm just going to delete that one and going to work with this one. You're going to click on continue, and here you're going to put in the variables. Now, in order to get this, we're going to go back to Zapier AI, and here is your code field. You do not need to change anything here. You just click on copy code. Go ahead, go over to your Zap, and then copy and paste this in here. If there is some code before here as a placeholder inside, make sure to delete everything and then only delete the Zapier AI, and then only insert the Zapier AI code into here. Now, next, we have these variables, okay? We need to put these variables into our fields if we have them. Now, at first, go ahead and create 5 fields. I'm just gonna delete these fields here just for our purpose. Now I have created 5 variable fields. Just go ahead and copy the API key, put it in here. Copy phone number, put it in the second one. Copy the name, put it in here. You have to use the exact variables in order to match this correctly. And also copy your message template variable. In our case, first name here. This is likely the same variable as here. Super. Now we're gonna start by filling in the API key. You're gonna go to Zapier AI and click on the here. Just open it in a new tab. Create new API key, and we're just gonna call it test new one. Copy that API key because you will never see that API key again. So click on copy and paste it into here. Now the phone number field will be filled by our Facebook lead submission. So go in here, and I have that as raw company name. For you, that will be raw phone number or phone number, whatever you have your field mapped. Map it here. The name, I'm gonna save the first name into here. So this is the name that is actually given to the AI, how it should call your lead. Okay, there is a little bit distinguishment between how the AI should call your lead and how the first message template first name is. Usually, I would just use the same variable, because if you once call them by their first name, you will always call them by their first name, or if you once call them by their full name, you will always call them by their full name. So we're going to put the exact same variable also into this field. And lastly, we're going to map the email, because we need the email for the scheduling part, right? If you schedule, for example, into Calendly, then the Calendly needs the email of the lead to schedule. Now, if you don't have the email, it's also no problem, because then AI will later ask for the lead's email before scheduling. But this way you already give the AI the correct email of the lead. So yeah, the AI doesn't need to ask anymore. Great, now we have everything in here that we need. We're gonna click on continue, and we're gonna test this. Let me pull up my WhatsApp. Let's test this step. We got a response status 200, that's great. And we just got an outbound message from our Facebook lead ads. Perfect. Now with this, you have successfully set up your WhatsApp outbound messaging. So every lead that comes into Facebook lead ads will automatically receive a message within seconds by your AI appointment setter. And then when they reply, they will be engaged by the AI until they book an appointment. Great. Make sure to publish your Zap and turn it on so it's actually live. Make sure it is actually turned on here.